Select a layer in Affinity Photo and then go to Layer and New Pattern Layer from Selection. And you can resize it and you can move it around. You can also go up here to the top left and set that mirror option on. And you can see the effect there. Now you've got the bounding box of the pattern. You can go to Filters, Distort and Affine. So now I can rotate it. You can see all kinds of lovely designs it creates using this. Lovely kaleidoscope effect. You also go for mirror and you can also set the value say to 50 and maybe 50 there as well. Maybe change it offset, etc. if you want to move things as well. And click apply. You can resize it, rotate it, etc. You also again go to filters and down to distort and Affine. And then maybe set the gain 75. Again go for mirror and possibly go for rotation and rotate it. So you literally can create millions and millions of different kaleidoscope effects. Click apply. And of course what you can also do is you can go to filter and repeat Affine as well. And filters, repeat Affine. And it's still live for the pattern anyway. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.